Imagine planning the perfect trip. From the moment a guest boards a plane, checks into a hotel, or steps into a theme park. Behind every smooth experience is operations management. This is the careful coordination of services that keeps tourism and hospitality running efficiently. Today, I will share how operations management ensures that every part of the travel experience is seamless, safe, and satisfying. Operation management impacts many areas in tourism. First is air transportation. Like airlines and city tours, this ensures people move safely and on time. Second is accommodation and food services. This is where chefs and hotel staff coordinate production and guest services to guarantee a quality experience. Third, attraction and recreation, such as theme parks and leisure activities, which depends on smooth guest experiences. So for example, in airline operations, flight attendants ensure passenger comfort and safety, serve meals, and explain safety procedure, while ticket and reservation agents handle bookings and inquiries. At theme parks or major attractions, operation management handle guest reception, queuing, and complaint resolution. This ensures visitors enjoy a seamless experience. In conclusion, operation management is the backbone of the tourism and hospitality industry. This ensures services are delivered efficiently, guests are satisfied, and businesses remain profitable. Without it, the entire travel experience would be chaotic. Thank you.